Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. My name is Tom and today be riding along with me as I drive west on I-80. First of all, I'd like to tell you how excited I am to share with you these videos from my 2022 trip to Western Nevada and far Eastern California. I hope you guys will enjoy riding along with me, and if you do, I always appreciate a like or a comment to encourage me in fulfilling my channel's mission, which is to travel down all the best highways that America has to offer. So in today's part of this trip, we'll continue our westward trek on I-80 to Nevada and California as we make our way into Iowa's state capital of Des Moines. We'll follow I-80 into the Des Moines area, then taking I-235 into downtown before crossing the Des Moines River near this video's end. This upcoming trip will feature a little bit of everything as we travel to some new and familiar places, including lonely US 50 in Nevada, a scenic byway with an expensive nickname, and of course my favorite states of Utah and Colorado. If you're new here today, I hope this video earns me your subscription so you can join me on my future adventures. New videos will be posted here every couple of days, and in between new videos, it would be awesome if you could check out other videos from this or my 3 other 4,000 mile plus western road trips so you can compare how things have changed, or better yet, help you plan your adventure through here. Lastly, this video description has a ton of information that might be helpful, like what's coming up on this trip, so I'd encourage you to check it out. If you allow me to grift, it also has ways for people to support my channel financially, which all goes directly to future video creation. Words cannot describe how much I appreciate all the support you guys give me, and every day I look forward to the future and the places we will travel together. Now that that is all taken care of, I'm going to keep driving west on I-80 in the Hawkeye state of Iowa. Well, that's it for this video, and thanks so much for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please help me out by clicking that like button or hit me up with a comment or a super thanks. In the next video from this amazing trip, we'll continue west on I-80 in the state of Iowa, so make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.